In our last video, we learned what direct, inverse, and partitive proportions are. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add and subtract integers. But first, let's find out the meaning of integers. An integer is a whole number, not a fraction, that can be positive, negative, or zero. Therefore, the numbers 10, 0, negative 25, and 5,148 are all integers. Integers cannot have decimal places. Do you guys like cookies? Me too! Last sem break, my cousin and I baked cookies to sell. We were able to bake 72 pieces of cookies. 66 of it were sold, and another customer ordered 24 pieces of cookies. How much more cookies do we need to bake? Solution. Total number of baked cookies can be represented by 72. Number of cookies that were sold can be represented by 66. Number of ordered cookies can be represented by 24. We get 72 minus positive 66 minus positive 24 equals 72 minus 66 minus 24 equals negative 18. Yes, you are right. We did bake 18 more cookies. While baking, I learned how the oven works. First, we need to set the temperature needed to bake the cookies. The initial temperature of the baking oven rises from room temperature to 300 degrees Celsius upon preheating. After 10 minutes, the temperature dropped by 120 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature of the baking oven after 10 minutes? Solution. Temperature rises to 300 degrees Celsius can be represented by positive 300. Temperature dropped by 120 degrees Celsius can be represented by negative 120. We get positive 300 plus negative 120 equals positive 300 minus 120 equals 180. The temperature of the baking oven after 10 minutes is 180 degrees Celsius. It's baking time! After baking cookies, we also want to try baking cupcakes and loaf breads. My father decided to purchase more ingredients online. He deposited 1,000 pesos in his e-wallet to pay for his purchases, amounting to 750 pesos. When he received the items, some of it were erroneously delivered. When he returned it, 350 pesos was credited back to his e-wallet as refund for the returned item. How much money is left in my father's e-wallet? The deposited 1,000 pesos can be represented by positive 1,000. The paid 750 pesos can be represented by negative 750. The 350 pesos refund can be represented by positive 350. We get 1,000 plus negative 750 plus 350, and 1,000 minus 750 plus 350 equals 600. My father now has 600 pesos left in his e-wallet. Did you learn anything today? If so, that's great! See you next time. Bye-bye!